Sagapi, Liberty Home Mortgage, and this is reason number 3. And this winds down my 3-part series. Why aren't you getting a loan? Okay. Watch my other videos, subscribe to my page to see reason number 1, to see reason number 2, and here comes reason number 3. Now, you might just not qualify for a loan because of reason number 3, what I'm going to tell you right now. It might be reason number 3 and reason number 1. It might be reason 1 and 2. So pay attention to this one. It could be a combination. It could be all of them. It could be none of them. Well, it could be one of them. Okay, it's got to be one of them. You're not qualified. You get all 3, you win. Reason number 3, money. You don't have the money. Okay. Sometimes you have to come up with more money than you have. Now, for some people, they don't have any money. When you want to sit here and say, Hesh, but there's loan programs out there. They're not that easy to qualify. They give you down payment assistance, things like that. Not everybody qualifies for those, okay? Reality is you've got to put a little bit of money in, okay? A home is the biggest financial investment typically in anybody's life. For you to have to come up with a little bit of money, okay? You should have to. Because the reality is, if you can't afford it and you go into foreclosure, not only do you ruin your life, but you ruin the neighborhood around you too. That's a fact also. High foreclosure rates don't lead to good things in neighborhoods, not good for the local market. Besides, back to the point, money. You've got to save up more money. Now, FHA, for example, since I hear this stuff all the time, the minimum down payment is 3.5% of the purchase price. So if you're buying a house for $100,000, you need $3,500 at a minimum. That's to even get your toe in the door. Just because you have that does not mean you get the loan. It doesn't mean that. You might need more. Because of your credit, because of the debt to income ratio, who knows what the combination is, you might have to come up with even more money. You might have to come up with 5%, 10%. I had somebody in the low 500s who had to come up with 50% to get approved. And something they kept saying, Hesh, I thought FHA was 3.5%. That's the minimum. Just because you meet the minimum requirement doesn't mean you get the loan, okay? To get the loan, you must meet the minimum requirement at the very least to even have a chance. Listen to this video. That's why I have real estate agents, even borrowers who watch these videos consistently. I guarantee you this. Follow these videos on a consistent basis, especially if you're a real estate agent, and you will become a better real estate agent. You'll become better at your job. I simplify this stuff down. I'm better than any loan officer in this country, and whatever we'll go all day long on that one, okay? Reason number 3, you're getting declined. You've got to come up with more money. Period. End of story. You need more money. These are the 3 steps I always talk about to getting a loan. This is always the 3rd step I talk about getting a loan. And if you're sitting here saying, why am I not getting a loan? Hesh, I know people with horrible credit. Okay, they probably had a gigantic down payment, or their credit was not necessarily as horrible as you're making it out to be, or they had a cosigner with ridiculously perfect credit. There's going to be a way. So when people tell me, Hesh, this person had horrible credit, did you pull their credit? Did you see the credit report? Did you see the credit scores? Did you see the credit history? Did you run it through the AUS? Do you do this for a job? Do you even know anything I just said to you about this stuff, okay? I have people who sit here and say, Hesh, I know people with no jobs. BS. I call BS on that one. Nobody who is not working a job can get a loan for the last 16 years. It's called ability to repay. If you don't have a job, it's against the law to give that person a mortgage loan on their primary residence, okay? Nice try. So don't sit here and tell me that I know people who don't even have jobs who are getting loans. No, you don't, okay? You're making it up. Stop that. Lying's not good, okay? Reason number 3, money. Save up the money. Follow these 3 videos I did. My tone and some of what I say might not make you feel warm and fuzzy. Tough. You know what the reality is? If you get told every once in a while in life the way it is, you're accountable for your actions, you take responsibility for your actions, and you make decisions that you have to make, I got news for you. You're going to be living a way better life. But you got to keep watching these videos for that. This winds down my little 3-part series. I'll catch you on the next video.